If Monday.com is giving you an error, or something just isn't loading the way it should, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes you can try step by step, so you can get back to work without wasting time. These are simple troubleshooting steps that solve a lot of common browser and connection issues, and you can follow along even if you're not technical. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's get started. First, try refreshing the page. Sometimes Monday.com just needs a quick reload to clear a temporary glitch. If the page was stuck, failed to load, or showed an error message, a refresh can often bring everything back right away. If that doesn't work, sign out of your Monday.com account completely, then sign back in. This can reset your session and fix issues caused by a bad login state or expired authentication. Make sure you fully log out, close the tab if needed, then open Monday.com again and sign in with the correct account. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. On most browsers, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Then select Cached Images and Files and Cookies and Site Data and clear them. After that, restart your browser and try Monday.com again. Old browser data can sometimes cause loading errors, display problems, or unexpected behavior. Now, disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools. To do this, open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn off anything that might interfere with Monday.com. Some extensions can block scripts, break page elements, or prevent parts of the app from loading correctly. After disabling them, refresh Monday.com and check if the issue is gone. If you're still seeing a problem, check your internet connection. Try opening another website to see if it loads wrongly. If your connection seems slow or unstable, switch to a different network if possible. You can try mobile hotspot, another Wi-Fi network, or reconnecting to your current one. Monday.com depends on a stable connection, so network issues can easily cause errors. Another thing to try is turning off any VPN or proxy you may be using. Some VPNs and proxy services can interfere with secure connections, app performance, or sign-in sessions. Disable them temporarily, then reload Monday.com and see if it starts working properly. If the issue is still there, switch browsers. Monday.com works best in modern browsers like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. If you're using an older browser or one that has compatibility issues, try opening Monday.com in a different browser and compare the results. In many cases, simply changing browsers fixes the error immediately. At this point, if Monday.com is working again, take a moment to test the main features you were trying to use. Open your boards, load your workspace, and make sure everything is responding normally. If one of these steps fix the issue, you've likely solved a browser, cache, or network problem rather than a Monday.com account issue. And if nothing has worked yet, the next best step is to check Monday.com's status page or contact their support team, because the problem may be on their side rather than yours. But for most users, one of these simple fixes will get Monday.com running again. If this tutorial helped you fix the problem, please hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and it makes sure you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.